problem, they came up with a new power plant for these ships, and they decided they were going to refit the entire class one at a time, starting with HMS Daring. But when they sent Daring into dry dock, they ran into some technical issues and even had a fire on board, causing significant damage. Rather than delay the entire class by stopping and trying to repair the Daring, they just skipped past her and moved on to the next ship in the line. It was only once they finished all 5 of her sister ships did they finally get back round to her, and they finally repaired her and then completed her refit. In the meantime, they had been using her as spare parts for her sister ships. She's now finally back out here in the harbour, just having the last work done, and she'll re-enter active service sometime in the next few months. The large hill overlooking Portsmouth on our right-hand side is Portsdown Hill. On top of the hill, just to the right of the White Cliffs, there is a grey building that is along at the top of a Type 45 destroyer. It's actually here that he radars all these destroyers were developed and tested by the Royal Navy before being fitted to the ships themselves. They continue to use this facility today, constantly improving its radar technology and passing the upgrades down to the ships in harbour. Down on the waterfront on our right-hand side, we have the battlements of Porchester Castle. The outer walls of Porchester were originally built by the Romans during the 3rd century AD. Designed to fend off pirate raids in the English Channel, they were later used by the Anglo-Saxons to protect themselves against Viking raiders. Once the Normans took over in the 11th century, they built a castle in the northwest corner of these outer walls. The tallest part of this castle, its keep, was completed to its final height by the 15th century. Today, the entire site is open as part of English heritage. You can go inside the castle itself, have a look around the grounds, and on a